Hey, madam.
Olga, shouldn't you be at work?
That's exactly what I'm doing. Talking to you is part of my job.
Oh, okay. I must be a difficult person to talk to then.
How?
I mean, if it's part of your job, then it's difficult. Right? We all don't like our jobs sometimes.
Okay, madam, I don't know what you're talking about. Where are you off to? I thought you were supposed to be working.
And who says I'm not? I just stepped out to get something to eat.
No food in your canteen, right?
Yes, I'm tired of that their beans and plantain and small chops. I want something different.
I told you to come work for me, but your stubbornness won't let you.
Well, guess we're stuck with the stubborn Alexis.
Shameless me. So, are you still getting off work early?
Yeah, I am. I already obtained permission from my boss.
If only you knew how much I hate it when you refer to another man as your boss.
Get over yourself, young man. You're in no competition with anybody, okay?
Okay. So.
And hey, don't eat that, what's it called? That junk they serve you guys in that office.
Do not disrespect my company, okay? We serve world-class meals here. Not like your mama puts in your crowded office.
World-class junk, yes, I agree. But come on, you'll be having some drinks later today, okay? I'm thinking you should have something solid.
Yes, ma'am. But I never complained about any complications from my eating, though. Your man here has a strong immune system. Emphasis on strong immune.
Oh, good, strong immune system. Don't worry, very soon. It will fail if you keep abusing it.
Not to worry, my love. These are one of the benefits of being an AS. We stay strong for life. Sickness, they fear us. We're not like one of those people that treat malaria every year. But you know I don't really drink that much, right? But if you insist, I mean, I'll stay off the lunch meals here. You're the boss of me, right? But babe, what do you suggest I eat before going out with Carlo? Are you there?
I'm here. What did you just say?
Are you back to the office?
Yeah, I am.
You have a heavy desk?
Not much. Just a few things to clear off.
Good. So I was saying, what do you suggest I eat?
I was actually thinking. You go home first and freshen up.
Okay, ma'am. Why does it sound like you're hiding something?
Hiding? I was actually thinking you invite Media and Carlo over, to the house instead of hanging out separately.
So that you and Midi will sit there pressing your phones and discussing hair. Never.
Okay.
No. My madam says no more office food.
That's not what I said.
Well, my love, I have sent her away, so you owe me lunch.
I got you, baby.
Thank you, my love. So why don't we tidy up work and head home already?
Okay.
Can I see you before Midi steals you away?
What?
Can I see you before Midi steals you away?
Ask me nicely.
Hey, Pumpkin. Can I see your angelic, beautiful face before Midi steals you away from me?
Boring.
She agrees. I'll see you later, my love.
Okay. Oh. Hey, babe. Okay, I'll be heading out soon. Okay, sir.
You mischievous child.
I love you too. You.
Yeah.
The food is gonna get cold.
I don't care. What was I eat first before I eat?
Wow. What's that?
Well, since you can't use that anymore because we messed it up, I got you this.
Babe.
I love you too.
Wait.
Yeah.
Did you go out like this?
Mm-hmm.
What if it was a woman that delivered that?
Guess you'll get the memo.
What is the memo?
That you flaunted.
You're bad.
Don't be selfish. Don't worry, they can only see.
Isn't that how it starts? From seeing to wanting and then to having.
Oh, someone's getting jealous.
Get out. You silly.
Liar.
Go away.
Lies again.
We definitely hate you.
More lies. Okay, now I think I need to get out.
You are crazy. Come here. Hey, honey.
Hey! Whoa. Okay.
What is that looking like?
Why is this not looking like a date or something?
Oh, well, you bought the gun, so you tell me.
Are you sure I won't just get dressed and fool you?
And what will you tell Caleb?
Well, we could double date. I mean, you could wait here for him. I'll get dressed and we'll just go out together.
No.
Babe.
Come on, no. He's already on his way, okay? And you still have that YOT report. I love you too. Mwah. Okay. What are you doing?
So are you just going to leave me like this? Hmm?
Are you serious? Okay. Okay. Tell me when you're satisfied, okay?
You know I can never get enough of you, right?
Okay. Oliver Twist. It's enough for now. It's enough. It's enough. Please leave me.
I don't think you Are you serious? Wait, she said yes, right?
You know me, will never say no to me. Ever.
So tell me, why did you make this low-key? Were you afraid it might be embarrassing?
Bro, that's what she wanted, okay? That was it.
What she wanted? Did you tell her you wanted to propose?
Look, I just wanted to dress up, okay? So that we're going somewhere nice, you know, with you, Alexis, and some of the other guys. She tried to persuade me and find out where we're going. You know, I tried to hide it, you know.
But you know you can't hide anything from me, there.
I know my babe now.
It's impossible.
Guy, this girl searched me.
Wow.
Found the ring. And she put it on.
Oh my goodness. What a human being.
Guy, this babe is extra.
Oh my. Wow. Whoa.
I don't know. I know that you love Jason and Jason loves you back. If not, I would have said that you're probably jealous of me. Jealous what? Come on, Mide. I mean, I just got a ring and look at how you're being. I'm sorry. It's just stress. It's work. Okay? Are you sure you're okay? Yeah. I'm fine. It's just work. I promise. That does feel good though, right? I don't know. I wasn't expecting it. But did you want it? I don't know. I mean, with Carlo, I was just going with the flow. I wasn't expecting him to propose to me. But when I saw him planning it, I felt pity. And I didn't want the poor guy to just stress like that for nothing. Okay. Okay. You're crazy though, you know that, yeah? I know. Anyway, you're here now. So, what next? Did you hear me when I said I'm going with the flow? Anything he wants to do, we're doing it. You are indeed crazy. Yes, very much.
So what about you? What do you want?
I just know I love her, okay? I want to be everything and do everything I can for her.
Okay, so I guess we'll start hearing wedding bells soon.
That's what she wants. I'm ready to have that conversation.
What she wants? What about you? I mean, you put a ring on it without no plans?
Jason, you don't plan these things, okay? They just happen. I mean, inviting you, Alexis, and the other guys was just to make our day. Alright? I mean, planning to feel makes things less conspicuous. Alright?
Please spend with all this lazy man philosophy, okay? You have to have a plan.
So what's your plan, Alexis?
Look, it's about you, not about me, okay? You're the one that put a ring on it, remember?
Bro, when are you going to put a ring on it?
Look, we're good. I and Alexis were in a very good place, man. I mean, we could even get married today, who knows, but come on, man. I love that girl for life.
Bro, when is it going to be?
Are you sure you're okay? Is everything fine with you and Jason? Yeah. We're cool. Honestly, as of some days ago, I would even be the one to buy a ring and give the guy, but
right now.
Is it something you want to talk about?
Girl, please. It's your night, okay? Let's celebrate. That's what we're doing here. Let's not ruin it, okay? We're having fun. You got a ring? You said yes. Yay! You're off the market?
I'm still concerned about you, but yay, I'm
Yeah,
off the
come on, you're off the market.
market. Mrs. Kalu.
Oh my goodness. It looks good though.
I know.
It does.
I make you look good.
Oh, really?
You don't come make it your night, though. You know. How about we plan a big wedding together on the same day? To be big like a festival, you know. What do you think?
You know I can't imagine a life without Alexis, right?
You see? See, guy. You be more than a friend to me. Okay, you're more like a blood brother. Okay, so let's do this.
Sure, I'll tell her.
My G. We'll have a wedding to plan.
Okay. So let's toast to wedding plan.
Cheers.
What a night.
Yeah. I know why you're not going home, we like so.
Look at this one. You want me to follow you home so you won't let me sleep tonight, huh? And you know that I have work first thing in the morning tomorrow.
Like, I planned some action, some things, some fun. I'm gonna give you.
Now you can snap out of it, sir.
Well,
Thank you.
nah. I should be thank you. Thank you for making my life complete.
Here's this one. Your life is not complete as far as I'm concerned. You're still a single man.
Relax, Joe. We're one step closer now.
Is everything okay with Alexis and Jason?
Yeah. Why?
Are you sure?
What do you think?
You know, she was just moody the whole day today. I don't know.
Did she tell you anything?
Nope.
Well, Jason didn't tell me anything either, so I'm sure everything's alright.
You know how you guys easily overlook these tiny details?
Well, I'll talk to Jason tomorrow and see if there's anything up, I'll let you know.
You should, because I'm concerned. I think something is wrong.
Don't worry, nothing's wrong.
Don't believe me like that. You've not paid my bread price full. Let's go. Let me see you off.
Hey, you good?
Yeah, I am.
I can't sleep.
Why?
I miss you. I don't know why you insist on going home tonight.
I need it.
It's okay, babe. I love you.
I love you too.
Hey. How are you? I'm fine.
Are you serious? How many flowers do you intend to give me in this lifetime?
If I have to give you a flower every day for the rest of our lives together, I will. You like?
Come on, you know I love it. Thank you.
Well,
Oh, thank you, babe. Where are these guys?
Kalu. You know they've labeled me ultimate lead comer. But look at them now.
You beat them today.
I did this because I wanted to stare at your beautiful face before they come with their distractions.
Okay. All right. So, how long do you intend to stay? Are you serious? Stop. Just stop it. Anyway, what's up? Have you ordered something or should we wait for them first?
I took care of that.
And you know what I want to eat?
I always do know what you want to eat.
Okay, mister. Okay.
But first, I have something for you.
Okay, again. After my flowers. Aren't you the best?
Coming up.
No. Please stop.
Babe.
No. I'm sorry.
Babe! Alexis!
Lexi, are you okay?
What's wrong? Where's Jason? Look,
What?
calm down, okay?
Baby, just talk to me. What is it?
They can't. I just can't.
You can't what?
Okay, what's happened now?
She ran off.
Wait, what? She said no.
She just ran off.
Bro, why? You know what's scared? Let's go after her. Bro, come now. Pick the flowers, move. Let's go.
I don't know. I can't.
What do you mean you can't? You need to talk to him, you know that, right?
I can't face him.
Just take it easy. Lexi, babe.
Jason, I'm so sorry. I don't know what came over me. I'm really sorry.
You're not saying anything. She's not saying anything. Can you just talk?
Yesterday, while we were speaking over the phone, you mentioned your
a strong immune system. And you mentioned that you're AS. I was so shocked. Because I am AS too.
So what? I mean, what does that even mean?
It means, Jason, we are both AS. We're not compatible.
We've lived together for over 2 years. We have been together for over 2 years. We have a bond. I mean, we've literally grew a bond for that long. I mean, so I thought. So how can you even say we're not compatible?
Jay, we can't bring children into this world to suffer. Or children that won't even live at all.
Is that what this is about? Is that what all this is to you? Kids? That's all? What about the love that we share? Is that why you did all this? I mean, is that why you walked out on me? What about what we've been through together? Look, Carly, you just left me where I was, okay? You just left me where I was.
Jason, no, Jason. Carl, please don't let him drive. Please don't. Please. Carl, please don't let him drive. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby. It's okay.
Genotype. Freaking genotype? Is that why she's throwing away all what we've built for? For this long? All we worked for? Because of genotype? Because of children? I know people that are married without children. Are they not happy? Did they die? Is she God? Does she even know if she can even conceive? Because of genotype, she's wasting all what we've built together. Rubbish.
Yeah, you need to calm down.
Look, just stay behind me, you preacher of love, okay? You just stay behind me because this is all you. I was on my own, by myself, enjoying my life. Telling me how I needed a woman in my life to make my life sweeter. Oh well, look at it now. From sweet to bitter. Look at it.
You know, Kanu and I, we've never had this conversation. If not, Kalu's a sweet guy. I love him and I honestly cannot imagine anything that would make us break apart. So, I just... I needed peace. I needed comfort. I needed the strength to move on in life. I saw all of that in Jason. And then I forgot. I forgot that this conversation is paramount. Look where we are now. But does it really matter? It does. At the long run, it will be filled with pain and regrets. And then you realize that love is never really enough.
See my life? Just see my life. I would have just followed my instincts and just stayed resolute to having anything like a relationship. I mean, this thing's not for me. It's not for me, man. Now look at my life. Just look at my life.
Babe, don't tell me you're still here wallowing in self-pity. That's not going to change anything. Joy comes in the morning, like they say, but you have to survive the night first.
God, I need to see Jason.
Well, you and I know that now is not the right time to do that.
I love him. Oh my God. I love him.
I know, and he loves you too.
Stop.
You did the right thing, baby. I mean, imagine if you had kept it to yourself and, like you said, at the long run, it becomes a story of pain and regrets. You did the right thing, my love. Baby, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay, baby.
Then this love is trash. Love is hopeless. Love is useless. Love is foolish. No one should ever preach this love to me again.
Jason, take it easy now. And this too shall pass, okay?
Oh, preacher. There you go again. There you go again, man. Alexis called off our relationship.
She did not.
She called off and rejected my proposal.
She had a valid reason.
What other reason could be more than love? What? She loved me. I loved her too. And I believed her. In fact, I loved her too much.
Loved. So just today, because of what has happened, you suddenly don't love her anymore.
Do I ever stop loving her? Now that's the question.
Jason, see, you're overreacting on it. You're overthinking this thing. This night will pass, joy will come in the morning, everything will be okay.
Preacher. Don't you ever give up? Don't you?
Jason, I'm in deeper shit than you know. At least your ring was rejected, mine was received with so much love, and with all this thing that's happening, I'm beginning to have second thoughts about everything.
Well, cheers to that. We'll figure it out.
get it or not.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Yeah, Victoria, what is it? I'm not coming today. You shut up and listen. Tell them I said to come back next week, okay? If they want or they can't, then they can go. I'm sure everybody wants to stay away.
Hey. Have you eaten?
I'm not hungry.
With all those empty bottles? You should eat something. Let me get you something.
Stop. What are you doing here?
I came to see you, to talk.
Then let's talk.
Jason, you should eat something.
Let's talk.
Jason, I'm sorry. I'm sorry about yesterday. And I'm so sorry we didn't have this conversation earlier. But honestly, we can't risk it.
Please speak for yourself. You cannot use we when expressing a thought that I do not subscribe to.
Jason, you're not really thinking about risking this, are you?
Is that what I told you? Did you ask me?
But we shouldn't.
Speak for yourself, Alexis.
No. When I broke off my previous engagement because of this same issue, I swore to myself that I will always have this conversation before any relationship starts. But with you, it was so perfect, so easy, and I forgot. And I am so sorry.
You know, it's so funny how I'm just hearing about your previous relationship now. Wow.
That's what I'm saying, Jay. We got off so beautifully that we didn't get to talk about a lot of things. I mean, some of them is okay. The past should be left where it is.
So what happened to him?
Last I heard, he's just there.
Married now?
Last I heard, he is still immersed in the heartbreak.
And I'm sure you've moved on. You've swept it aside like it meant nothing to you. This whole thing is beginning to make me think if you really, truly have a conscience in there.
Jason.
Oh, please. What about me? What happens to me now? Because I know you're done. Are you going to move on as usual?
As usual?
Answer the question.
Listen, Jason. I love you. I love what we have. And God knows I cherish what we've become. And if there's a way for me to perform some miracle and turn this around, I will. But Jay, marriage isn't the primary essence to raise a family in love and happiness. Jay, we cannot give birth to kids and watch them suffer. It'll mess things up. It'll mess me up. Please just stay with me here. I'm looking at the future.
You know, when you came here, I I hoped you were here to sort of try and resolve this issue. But I see you have your mind made up already. It's fine. It's fine.
Jay, don't walk away.
Isn't that what you came here to do? To walk away from my life? To walk away from what we created? The beautiful memories?
Jay,
Isn't that what you're here for?
No. I would never walk away from you. I love what we have, Jay. I'm just saying that we can't get married.
Are you confused? You're not leaving me, but you're not getting married? Are you freaking kidding me?
Jay, come on. I cherish what we have, Jay. I do. I don't know. I'm just... Maybe we could be friends. Best of friends.
You know, it's so funny to think that you could say those things out of your mouth. You can let those things come out of your mouth. You want us to be friends? From being lovers to being best friends? You must be kidding.
Jay, wait, Jay, please don't go. Jay, come on.
Don't.
Sir,
What do you want?
I brought your lunch and you need to attend to
I
this
am not
file.
hungry and I'm not able to look at any files.
But sir,
Drop it on my table.
sir,
What is it, Victoria?
you did not attend to the Greenfield file, sir.
Yes, so what about it?
Sir, those people have been calling non-stop. They mean business.
Look, I'm not in the right frame of mind to look at any files.
Sir, they've made us this offer for over a week now. It will be to them as if we are not serious.
Victor,
Yes, sir.
remind me again whose company this is.
Your company, sir.
Good.
Sir, you've been like this for days now, and I honestly do not know what's going on. And I know that even if you tell me what's going on, I may not be able to help you out of it. But I know that running down your company cannot be the solution to it, whatever it is. Sir, please, we need this contract. Some of us need this job to survive.
Drop it. I'll attend to it.
There's no need conducting another test. Blood does not change its nature. It can only get contaminated with virus or an infection, but it doesn't change its nature.
I did the genotype thing a while ago while I was in secondary school. I mean, some organization came to carry out a test. We're in groups, so I'm thinking maybe there was a mistake somewhere or something, maybe a card was mixed up, I just need to be sure.
These things hardly gets messed up. But if you insist, we can run the test quickly for you.
So, what if nothing changed? What can we do?
There's nothing we can do about it. The surest thing is for you to play safe and marry someone that is compatible. That's just it.
Philip, I'm about to lose my girlfriend because we are both AS.
Wow.
Yes, wow.
What are you going to do?
Really?
See, I mean, it's crazy, but how did you not know?
Really?
See, calm down.
I am calm.
There's nothing we can do about this. See, the truth is, you need to get yourself another woman. Let me just tell you the truth. We can't do anything about this case here. We can't.
Philip, can we just check, okay? I mean, I just need to be sure.
I can't really lie to you. There's no other way. I'm sorry. Just have to get another woman. Sorry.
What I'm saying is that God created mankind in his likeness and his image. He also loved man, that he told man that man can go in instruction to multiply and be fruitful, right? Now, where did the bad blood come from? Or where did the blood change? Where did this whole AS and SS and AA thing come from? Was there someone in between Adam and Eve that was a carrier? Because I don't understand why things changed. I need answers.
Jason, what is wrong?
Look, Pastor, I'm the one asking questions here. Okay? Because I don't seem to understand why we have a God that has so much power over everything, and yet he let us go through a lot. I mean, he created love. Love is a beautiful thing, right? So why create love that is a beautiful thing and we still have to suffer with sicknesses? Why?
Jason, you really don't have to question God.
I am not questioning God. I'm asking you, Pastor. You're his servant. He called you. He listens to you. So why? If he's a God that has power over everything, then why are we suffering like this? I mean, he has the power to change everything.
Jason, I need you to listen to me, okay? Listen to me and maybe you would understand, because he told us in Lamentations chapter 3 verse 32 to 33. He said that although he brings grief, but he also shows compassion because of the greatness of his unfailing love.
Did you hear what you just said, Pastor? He brings grief. Why would he bring grief? Why?
Why would it bring grief in the first place? I've never fallen in love before in my life, okay? Now I have fallen in love with someone that is very amazing. And we cannot be together because our blood are not compatible. Why would they even do that in the first place? Why, Pastor? I just need answers here.
Jason, believe me, I understand everything that you're trying to say here, but like I said earlier, we cannot question God. Remember, he said he's the all-knowing God. For everything you're going through right now, he knows. Remember, he says, to prepare you spiritually, I make you pass through the natural. Okay, we are humans. Yes, we throw the dice, but we don't determine how they fall. He is our God, and I believe that for everything you're passing through right now, he's preparing you for something even greater. All I can ask you to do for yourself is to just pray, submit to him, and let him take control. Please, don't let any of this wither your faith away. Everything will be all right. Just trust in him.
Just leave me alone.
Wait, just listen to me.
Listen to what? What is this? You're being insensitive. You think this is easy for me? You think I'm not battling with it?
That's what I'm saying, okay? We don't have to battle with anything.
Jason, we are not compatible. You're just shutting your mind off to reasoning and acting like I'm the one who never loved you. I gave 2 years. 2 years of my life to build in this relationship. I love you. You know this. I would do anything to make this work.
Then let's make this work. Okay?
What did your doctor say? And I know you, I'm very sure you've visited your pastor, so what did he say?
Look, they were just saying...
The truth! Why would you want to test the depth of a river with both feet? Jason, why would you want to consciously create a feature that you won't be happy in?
Two shots, make it fast. What are you drinking?
Easy, man. No amount of shots can correct a stained blood. Funny how I didn't even think about this till I got home that day and I saw Midi's note. She's AS and I'm AS.
Oh, man.
Dear God, you made this life beautiful. Living in it should be beautiful too. I'm so sorry for blaming you for everything. I'm so sorry for letting this sway me and not believing in you. I love you, God. And I know you're up there taking care of me. Please take care of this too. Because I'm helpless. Because I'm tired. I can't do this on my own. Please. I love her so much, God. So much. Please protect her. Protect us, God.
Hey, Mom.
Hey.
How you doing?
I don't know.
I confused me, dear. I don't know what to tell her.
Tell her what she needs to know. I'm sure you two can work it out.
Work it out. I'm not even sure I can face her. In fact, my father wants me not to.
So we're just going to end it? Just like that?
Look, it's complicated.
Well, you two are engaged to be married.
I don't know. I really don't know.
Talk to her at least.
Tell her what?
It's crazy.
Why are you looking like you've just seen a ghost? And by the way, where were you? I called you, you were not picking up. Come.
No, I've just been very busy.
Oh, busy. Tell me, did you get a new job or something? Because I was at your office and you were nowhere to be found. Kalu, what's going on? What were you busy doing that you couldn't even return my calls or text me or something?
Look, Midi, I've been busy, okay? I'm sorry. I'm sorry. This whole thing just...
Babe, what is it? Talk to me.
I feel like we should have talked more about this, okay? We should have.
Well, as far as I'm concerned, it doesn't matter, does it?
Midi, it does. It does matter. I spoke to my dad the other day and he narrated how he married my mom. She was SS, he was AS. They had 4 kids together who didn't survive. I mean, I was the only miracle, okay? And shortly after my mom passed away from it, she couldn't survive it.
We can make another miracle happen. Babe.
Maybe we can't. We can't. Sorry. Midi, calm down. Let's stop this now, please. Midi, what are you doing now? What's all this?
Save it.
Midi.
Hey, bro. What? You let her go? Fuck. I'm coming.
Are you serious?
That angel, that's true, a coward. This is what he has done to me now. What am I supposed to do? How am I supposed to move on from this?
Oh my God. Few days after engaging you.
I totally regret taking that ring. What was I thinking, taking that damn drink from the angels?
Come on.
What was I thinking?
Don't sound like that. I mean, you love the guy.
Lexi, did you just say love? Does that fool know what they call love? Do you do this to somebody that you love?
Just calm down.
What am I going to do? I invited people. The caterer, everybody.
Calm down, babes. Calm down.
Oh, God. Kalu, you will not die well, no.
But are you seriously considering continuing? I mean, after finding out his genotype.
But even though, what am I supposed to tell people? What am I supposed to tell people? Oh my God.
It's okay, just calm down, okay? Is there something I can do?
No.
Calm down.
Yeah, you guys are taking this thing too far.
Baba, the only regret I have right now is waiting this long to ask that question.
Did you even love her at all?
100%.
And you're just going to let her go just like this?
And that's because I love her.
Okay, can you just speak plainly because I'm confused?
Jason, what my parents did and what a lot of other people are doing right now is foolishness. Okay, it's not love. I mean, why go into something forever you obviously know it's going to hurt you? Death is inevitable, okay? But causing it, leaving with someone and bringing a child into this world, it's obviously foolishness, okay? Because that child is obviously going to die.
You're late again.
Yeah, what's all this? I said it's a casual date now, not some international job interview.
You know what they say about first impressions?
Guy, this is different, okay? You're not here to employ her. Not that you're here to impress her with all these things you've got going on.
Well, are we doing this or not? And where is she?
Easy. Guy, relax, okay? First of all, you need to tone down all these things you've got going on. You need to understand this is not your office, this is not your work, and neither is she one of your employees.
Well, man, I'm not doing this.
Guy, calm down now. Calm down. Come on, allow this woman love your boring life. You will take me for it later. See, yeah. Alexis is a very smart, intelligent, and hardworking woman. Okay, in fact, she's the most diligent staff in our company. So calm.
That doesn't keep to time.
She's a lady, yeah.
Oh, wow. Really?
You need to understand that.
Spare me all this, you're preaching, preacher. I'm not a teenager, okay?
Barman. Sure. Okay. So calm.
Finally.
Oh, hi.
Hi. You came so late.
Okay. Nice to meet you too. Where are my flowers?
What?
My flowers, we agreed.
Oh, well, I rushed from work to this place. I didn't know you were going to be coming so late.
Excuses. Not good. I need to see my flowers.
Okay, you know what? I'll get you flowers, okay? Can we just, get to know each other, talk?
My flowers honored you.
Wow. You know what? I'll be right back.
So, what do we do with these flowers?
I have no idea. You asked for it, right? So
Come on, man. Be spontaneous. So this is not me anymore. This is me and you. This flower represents what we are going to have. You don't know what it takes to make a flower survive, right?
Sure.
Good. How about I water it and you make sure it gets enough air?
How about we do this together? I water it when I can, and you let it have cool breeze when you can.
You like shared responsibilities.
Two can tangle.
I like that. I honestly think this is what love should be. Like taking care of a flower. Nurture it, pamper it. If you want it to blossom, you just make sure it gets all the tenderness, all the care, and all the attention.
So, we should do this together. We should water it together when we can. And as long as this flower lives, as long as we live, it will never wither. Be my girlfriend.
I thought we were past that.
You are.
That was magical. Believe me. I remember those days and I feel jealous of you two. But with everything that's going on right now, Jason, you need to cut it off. Okay, just cut it off, I beg. I'm glad Alexis is finally in her right senses and I hope you are too.
There's nothing right about her thinking in this regard. We had something close to a covenant, and she broke it. Now she's going to let our flower wither away.
Jason, she's doing the right thing. And I hope you can see that too. Just let it go, I beg.
Babe, I brought...
I don't know, Jason. Please.
Wait, what are you doing? You're gonna trash our flowers? You're gonna throw away our love? Our life?
Jason. Oh God. Oh God, please. We need a miracle. Please.
What's going on? What's that?
Declined. Greenfield dropped the proposal.
Oh,
Oh, that's all you have to say, really?
calm down, Victoria, okay? It's just a contract lost. The company's not folding up anytime soon.
All they needed was just a little bit of your time. Your presence. For up to a month now, you abandoned work. You abandoned us. You abandoned the project we worked so hard for just because of...
Nothing. I admit it. I messed up big time. I was consumed by something I thought meant the world to me. This actually helped me to get another life outside work. I found love, where everything changed. Look, I should be the one that should be in regrets right now. But hey, in life, we learn to win some and to lose some. But I promise I'll make it up to you and the rest of the staff. Okay?
I'm sorry I yelled at you, sir.
It's fine. You can go now.
Thank you.
I think she just wanted to ask that for you.
Why would she want to ask that for me?
Because you're my guy. And I brought you two together, remember?
Well, she has my number.
You miss her.
Honestly, I'm just glad my staff has forgiven me for missing out on a juicy contract.
Very funny. Mm-hmm. Do you miss Alexis?
Listen, she's moved on, okay? And I've also moved on too. I mean, it's just...
Guy, look, I know you. You have not moved on. You can never move on from Alexis. Okay? So stop all this thing you're doing, I beg.
Like, whatever you think it is, the truth remains the fact that she's moved on. And I'm fine with it. I'm fine. Good. How's me day?
That's not what we're talking about here.
Well, we can as well switch, right? Let's talk about you.
Look, I don't know. I'm not talking to her. She's not talking to me, obviously. I have tried my best to make her see reasons why we can't be together, but looks like it's not working.
You know, it's funny how you've been trying so hard to push my mind towards Alex when you deal with your own issues.
Look, mine's a lost cause, okay? It's gone.
So what makes you think mine isn't?
Because we love her. And I'm pretty sure she does too. Okay? So, Carlin, Jason.
Hey, buddy.
What's up, bro? How's work going?
Good. Just have a lot of files I'm attending to right now. Please don't ask me to hang out tonight.
Nah, I'm working late today, Seth. Your woman's never here.
Sorry?
Alexis is not come to work today now. Need to talk to her.
Carl, please stop, okay? Please.
Well, it's unusual. You should be worried. And she's the reason my table is heavy.
Carl, stop, okay? I have work to do. Okay, man, I told you I have a full desk, man. What's up? What are you doing here? What are you up to? What's going on? Okay, what are you doing here, man?
I didn't know I now need an invitation to come into your house.
Well, at least come with drinks next time. This is not a lounge.
Hi, guys. Hi.
What's this?
Jason, this is a time to forgive, to reason well, and to let go of the past. Okay? So please just listen to me.
Thank you. Thank you, Carl. I mean, I shouldn't have dragged you down here, but I guess I was just... I didn't want...
What is this?
Jason, I'm pregnant. I'm carrying your child. Our child.
Okay then, what now? What do you want me to do?
I knew you don't hate me.
Let me speak for myself. I would say what I like and what I don't like. What I'll take and what I won't take. Let me speak my mind for once!
Jason, look, I know things ended on a bad note, but there's a new development now.
So what now? Huh? She doesn't want me in her life. I mean, she shut me out. I'm pretty much sure she knows what to do with her pregnancy.
Guy.
She's AS and I'm AS! We are doomed not to be together, man! Don't you get it? What?
Jason, what now?
Why ask? care to know what I want? Huh? Has it ever been about what I wanted? Well, since we're asking, I wanted you. I wanted us. I wanted us to spend the rest of our lives together. But you chose a different path. You dwelt on your own reasons without even considering mine. And now, you want to know what I want? How convenient.
Jason, is this payback?
You figure it out. Figure it out.
Let's see. Let's see.
Babe. Did you hear him in there? Jason has moved on.
Lex, what did you expect, huh? That he would sit and wallow in the sorrow of your rejection?
Come on, girl. He swore to love me.
Girl, you are beginning to sound very selfish, and that is weird. I mean, you also swore to love him, and what did you do? You woke up one day and decided you didn't want to be with him anymore. And now he's reacting, you're acting like this?
Girl, I'm pregnant now. So what do I do?
Just give him time. Let him take it all in.
Guy, what are you doing now? You can't just watch her live like that.
You watched me they leave, didn't you? You watched me they leave, didn't you? Take the log out of your eye first.
See, bro, don't twist this. She's carrying your child.
We're not compatible. We're stained. You all said this to me.
At least talk to her. Don't leave her alone in this fix. Jason.
You don't have to do this, Alexis.
Yes, I have to.
No, you don't.
Don't make this more difficult than it already is.
This is our child that you're unremorsefully trying to get rid of. My child.
It's my child too, Jason. Wait, you think I'm happy doing this?
Then don't do it.
I have to. My mind is made up. And someday, you realize I did this for both of us.
Hello, doctor. Please, I need your help.
Jason, what is it?
It's about Alexis. She's bent on terminating the pregnancy.
Which is the right thing to do.
Doctor, I really need your help. I was hoping you could just find out what the genotype of the baby is.
Why are you so stubborn, Jason?
Doctor, you'll be saving a life if the genotype doesn't turn out to be an SS. Please.
Also, please,
Stop! Doc, what's going on? I've been there for over 30 minutes. Why is no one attending to me?
Jason, you know you're very stubborn. I mean, stubborn to the core. Well, congratulations. The child is AS.
Thank you, babe. Thank you for not giving up on us. I am so sorry. I was scared.
It's okay, okay? I understand. I got you. Family is not just about kids. It's also about partnership, companionship. And I'm so grateful to God for this miracle. But it has to just be this one time.
Babe, I am okay with one.
Because I can't live without you. I love you so much, Alexis.
I love you.
Mother of my unborn child.
In a world full of chaos and strife, where love sometimes take a back seat, we are faced with challenges every day, but together we can find a way. They say life isn't always easy, and sometimes we have to fight. But with you by my side, I know we can make it through the night. Love should be enough, despite the strong hearts. We will weather the storms, we will break down the walls. Together we will conquer whatever may come, because we are love. We'll always overcome. We've been through thick and thin, yeah.